Most people think that the key to getting criminal charges dismissed is to go out and hire a really good lawyer. Now, while that may be helpful, getting your charges dismissed has less to do with your attorney and more to do with you. Because at the end of the day, your lawyer doesn't get to decide if your charges get dismissed. And your lawyer certainly doesn't decide to charge you with a crime in the first place. But who does? A prosecutor. A prosecutor is the one who charges you, and most of the time, if your charges are dismissed before going to trial, a prosecutor is the one that's dismissing those charges. So how do you get your charges dismissed without having to go to trial? You got to influence the mind of the prosecutor. You have to break the stereotypes that the prosecutor has of you, and you also have to rise above who the prosecutor thinks you are. So for instance, let's say you get a DUI, or let's say you get into a bar fight and you get charged because you were extremely drunk and you hurt somebody. In that situation, what the prosecutor thinks of you is that you are an alcohol addict. So what is one thing that an alcohol addict does not like to do? They don't like to get alcohol treatment. And so what you will have to do to break the stereotype in your situation is to go and get treatment. Get alcohol treatment, get drug and alcohol treatment. Do what you got to do to make yourself whole. And it's then and only then that the prosecutor will have a different perception of you, because they see that you're taking the steps to become the opposite of what they thought of you in the first place. So if you want to get your charges dismissed, break the stereotypes and the perception that the prosecutor has of you, and you'll be surprised at the difference that it'll make in your criminal case. So if you found this information helpful, like and follow for more.